Let's practice some vocabulary and expressions today. So the word cheap or stingy, how would you say that someone is cheap in Spanish? The proper words would be tacaño or avaro, but we also say agarrado o pichirre. Él es muy pichirre con su dinero. A lot of people have the same confusion. A thing that is cheap is barato, but a person that is cheap, it's not barato, it's avaro, tacaño, pichirre. What about the word nightmare? I had a terrible nightmare last night. Do you know how to say that? A nightmare is pesadilla. Tuve una pesadilla terrible anoche. Dinero is money, but of course there are a million words to refer to money. But there is one that is shared for many countries in Latin America, that is plata. Okay, so try to translate this. Salir con ella es una pesadilla, porque ella tiene mucha plata, pero es muy pichirre y quiere que yo pague todo. Okay, so try to translate this. Salir con ella es una pesadilla, porque ella tiene mucha plata, pero es muy pichirre y quiere que yo pague todo.